All right, today we're breaking down a feature that is, honestly, a total game changer for sending money home. It's Botim's Send Now, Pay Later. So stick around, and I'm going to show you exactly how to use it step by step.
You know the feeling, right? An urgent need pops up back home, you absolutely have to send money, but payday still feels like it's a week away. It's a really stressful spot to be in, and that's exactly the problem a feature like this is designed to solve.
So the solution is right there, inside the Botim app. It's a feature that's been created to bridge that exact gap. You know, the one between the moment you need to send money and the moment your salary actually hits your bank account.
So what is this thing, really? Well, Send Now, Pay Later is basically a short-term, instant loan. But the key thing to remember here is that its whole purpose is to fund international money transfers, and you do it all right from the app.
Okay, so how much credit can you actually get your hands on? Well, once you're approved, you could have access to anywhere from 1,500 all the way up to 5,000 dirhams. Your specific limit? That'll pop up right inside the app for you.
Now, before we get any further, there is one absolutely crucial rule you have got to know about this feature. Seriously, understanding this from the get-go is going to save you a lot of potential confusion down the line.
And here it is. This loan is exclusively for sending money internationally, back to your home country. You can't use these funds for any local payments or transfers inside the UAE. It's designed for one purpose and one purpose only: remittances.
All right, so with that really key rule in mind, let's dive into the actual process. I'll walk you through every single tap it takes to get that money sent.
First things first, we got to find the feature, right? So open up your Botim app, look for the Me tab, it's usually down at the bottom. From there, you're going to tap on Botim Money, and then you'll see the option for Send Now, Pay Later. Easy.
Okay, so once you're in, you'll see your approved credit limit. All you have to do is tap Use Now, pick the country you're sending to, punch in the amount, and then select who you're sending it to. It really is that straightforward.
And hey, here's a great pro tip. If you get approved for, say, 300 dirhams, maybe try sending just a little bit under that, like 293. That tiny bit of a buffer will cover the transfer fee and just make sure the whole thing goes through without a single hitch. Okay, you have set up the transfer. The final stage is all about confirming the details and, probably most importantly, choosing how you're going to pay it all back. So, the app is going to show you this really clear summary screen. It breaks it all down, exactly how much the person on the other end gets, what the transfer fee is, and what your total loan amount will be. No hidden surprises, it's all right there.
Next up, you get to decide how to pay it back. You can usually choose between 2, 3, or maybe even 5 monthly installments. And, for larger amounts, you might even see more options pop up, so you can pick whatever works best for your budget.
And this is it, the final hurdle. You just need to check the box to accept the terms, hit that big Confirm button, and then for security, you'll enter your Botim passcode. And that's it. The money is officially on its way. So, you've hit send. Now for the most important question, right? What happens next? And of course, when will your family actually get the money? So how long does it take? Well, you can generally expect the money to arrive within 2 to 5 business days. That's the typical window for the funds to actually land in your recipient's account.
And timing is really key here. A transfer you send on a weekday, it could arrive in just a couple of days. But if you send it over the weekend, just remember that bank schedules can add a little bit of extra time to the delivery.
And how does your recipient get the cash? Well, they've got options. It can be deposited directly into a bank account, it can be credited to a mobile wallet, or it can be made available for them to grab at a designated cash pickup location.
And that really brings us to a bigger question, doesn't it? As tools just like this one become more and more common, are we actually seeing a fundamental shift in how we support our families across borders? It's a pretty powerful idea and definitely something to think about.